Hey guys, I'm back and I'm quickly going to be doing a review on this hair that I'm currently wearing. It's from ALI BFF Hair. It is their water wave, 22 inches, 150 density. Now I was going to install this myself and then I decided that I didn't want to do that. I actually have this series I'm going to be doing as soon as, you know, everything's done being shut down, where I'm going to highlight local artists in my city, which is, I want to just basically highlight people in my community who I think are really dope, and I would like for you guys to get to know them. I just think Greensboro is a really interesting place, especially for it to be in the South. It's very progressive, and it's just like, I just love living here. Anyway, I still have to say, I did not install this myself. I'm going to quickly come in so you guys can see all the gloriousness. So this is an install done by Shayla. I will be linking her Instagram below. It's stitched by Shayla, but yeah, she did this for me maybe about 4 days ago. And I've been wearing my hair like regular. I've been tying it up at night, and I wanted to see how this hair dealt with me manipulating it a lot. Like, I've been doing two-strand twists. This is the hair in its natural. Here, let me go ahead and pull this up so you guys can see it. In its natural glory. It's really, really, really pretty. So I'm gonna be wearing it slicked back today, just like this. It's a little gloomy out, so if I do get caught in the rain, I look fine. But yeah, I've been wearing this wig now for about 4, almost 5, well, basically 5 days today, and I've not had a single issue with it. We'll do an update again in 2 weeks, but it's giving me life. I love it. The ends, it's ringlets all the way to the bottom. There's no filler hair, really. I didn't see anything in it that would make me think that there were filler hairs or like the little bits of plastic that you can somehow get in wigs. I'm going to insert a video of me getting it installed so you can see it in a natural state when it's first installed. And I'll try to put in like a pic or two of like how I was able to style it. I did these really cute buns. And yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. And if you do want to get yourself a new wig during this quarantine, be sure to hit up ALI BFF Hair. I'm going to leave everything in the description. So yeah, if you're digging this hair as of right now, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to remind you again. Turn on the notification bell. That way you can know every time I post. I have like 6 videos that I'm currently editing to post. It's just editing is such a task. I'm going to insert the video now of me getting it installed, and then I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got to see how it looks when it's like freshly out, when it's plucked, when it's on my head, after she put some after she applied baby hairs, which I thought were super cute. I'm not really one for baby hairs because I can't do them. But yeah, so if you guys want to get some cute hair for the summer, even though it's quarantine, we could still be in pools in our backyard, I would definitely go to ALI BFF Hair and look for their deep wave. I think I might try their kinky curly next and see how I feel about that. But I'm loving it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, be amazing, be authentic, be yourselves. Bye guys.